Good evening and welcome to 200forextips.com. I'm here with the final analysis of 10th of December 2018. Okay guys, I'm going to talk about the signals for today and I'm going to start today's discussion from Euro USD. So with a bearish expectation on Euro USD, the entry was 114256 and 113819 was the target price. And guys, you can see we have seen a big drop on Euro USD today and the market was closed below the entry that I have provided in the morning. And after that, we have seen a significant downward trend and it has even crossed the barriers of the target price 113819. So I congratulate all those traders who have taken the sell positions today on Euro USD. They must have collected a very decent profit. A big drop is seen today on Great Britain Pound USD. It was already predicted by 200 Forex pips in the form of a bearish signal. 127,283 was the starting in price for taking the entry, and 126920 was the target price. And guys, you can see we have seen a big drop and Great Britain Pound USD has went down. So if you have traded in a bearish manner, then you must have collected a profit on this pair. Okay, now let's talk about AUD JPY. I'm going to take you towards the signals report with a bullish expectation from 81215 and 81705 was the target price. However, the target price is not met. But if you look at here, from the entry, we have seen the significant upward trend for like 7 to 8 hours, and after that this single candle was dropped down. But however, if you have done the scalping from the entry point, then you must have collected the profit. Okay guys, now let's talk about pound JPY. So guys, basically my signal was bullish for pound it was bullish, that's not the bearish. It was bullish in the morning. 143237 and 143795 was the target price. So I was expecting the upward momentum and the market somehow went near to it, but later on in the second phase of the day, you know that the fundamental hit the market and it has taken it into the another direction. So guys, if you have done scalping in the early session of the day like I did here, then you must have taken the profit. Otherwise, most of the traders who have hold the positions, they must have hit the stop loss in this scenario. Okay, a buy position was advised to the traders in the morning on USD Canadian dollar. That was a very easy signal. 133103 was the bullish entry and 133622 was the target price. And guys, you can clearly see that we have seen a significant upward trend on USD Canadian dollar and the market price has moved so much high. So I congratulate all those traders who have taken the buy positions on USD Canadian dollar. They must have collected a decent profit. At last, I'm going to talk about Euro JPY, and that's the second last signal of my signals report with a bearish expectation from 128513 and 128196 is the target price. And guys, you can see I was expecting a bearish momentum. Somehow it has break the level. It has went just near to the target price. So it was a scalping signal from my side. So if you have traded this one, then you must have collected the profit overall. Again, if it goes below that level, then again it will be into the bearish zone. So guys, this is all about the today's analysis about the signals. Moreover, for the newcomers who are just new to the trading channel, let me explain about the trading system, because it's important that most of the traders does not have any idea that how to use this trading system properly. So I am going to tell them that whenever you see that the market is gaining the momentum from the lower red or blue boundary, you can buy the pair. You will ignore the red arrows at the oversold levels and you will trust the white arrows at the oversold levels. If you receive the white arrows and if you see that the market is pushing into the upward direction, then you can buy the pair. And whenever you see that the market has went into the top red or blue boundary and if it's making the bearish pattern, and if you have received the red arrow from the scalper, then you can sell the pair. So let's say if the scalper provides you the white arrow for a buy signal here, then you will ignore it, because as per the other indicator that with the red boundary indicator, it is already indicating you that the market has already reached to the overbought levels. So there is no need to buy the pair further. So you will sell the pair. So guys, moreover about the system, let me explain. Whenever you see that that if the hourly candle is closed above the middle dotted line, then you will buy on the next candle, and whenever you see it is closed below, then you can sell the pair. Look, you can see here this candle was slightly closed below, this candle was closed below. You can see the further candles were down, and this is how we use the trading system. So guys, this is all about the today's analysis. So if you are looking to subscribe to my daily Forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators, if you want want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching. For all this, please send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Please like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share the analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.